back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you do not miss any of my uploads. I really and truly appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for all the new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna decorate the space behind me, which is my living room. As you guys can tell, we live in our living space, and we're gonna go ahead and get this decorated today. So we're gonna be doing, of course, the fireplace area, the console table, and the couch. So all that's gonna get decorated today. I am going to be using the pieces that you see here for my decor, and so I don't want to prolong everything. Let's just go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start off in my living room, and I'm going to be folding up all these blankets. I actually just washed all 3 of these blankets about 2 weeks ago when I did my last clean with me video where I was doing a deep cleaning after COVID. And so all these blankets were already washed. I did throw those pillows to the side because I'm going to be washing those and putting them up. This is Hulk's bed that he attempted to destroy that I'm removing. I'm going to just get everything folded, move it, and then I'm going to start vacuuming, and then you'll see me start to add some decor. Please make sure you go back and watch my previous video where I did a decor haul, and you will see where I got all of the accent pillows. The only one that I think you did not see as far as everything in this video would be the yellow blanket, which I did get from Amazon. The 2 pillows that I'm adding right now were from my previous decor, so I just brought them down. And again, you all know, I've told you all before that as you put your decor out, you kind of change it around to see how you like it. And so you will continuously see me switching and flopping and seeing if I like something, chopping, unchopping, straightening it out. And there are ideally the tags on it, I want you to know, but at the end, I did go back and take all the tags off once I was satisfied with each piece to make sure that it was going to be sufficient in that particular area that I put it. And again, you see me removing a blanket. This is a blanket that I had from last year as well in that decor. And so I'm just moving that blanket in this area because it looks better. And then I'll put the yellow blanket on the ottoman and put some other pieces down with that. Again, so some of these pieces are new, but like the pieces that I'm adding now, the little owls and the pumpkins, I've already had those for a couple of years now, and so I'm trying to continue to incorporate some of my old decor with my new decor. And I know this looks all janky, so you will see this done over again by the end of the video because it just looked too crowded to me, and even now while I'm looking at it, it's crowded. So now I'm moving on to the console table, and I was so proud of myself because I was finally able to use the leaves and the long stem pieces that I found. I didn't realize that you guys couldn't see everything, but I was trying to figure out how to work them in. Those 2 pieces that I'm putting in now came from Marshall's, and it just all meshed together so well, and I was so excited that it just all came together, and it was so pretty. And so because that vase that I got, I did get that from Michael's. It was kind of not flimsy, but I was afraid it will fall over. I did go in like I'm doing now, and I added some of those marble beads to try to give it some weight. So unfortunately, I didn't realize that I wasn't recording when I was putting this piece up, but this is just a the white part is the garland that I got from Hobby Lobby, and it was 50% off of $29.99. And then the picks that you see me attempting to add in were also from Hobby Lobby. Now I'm going to tell you guys, this looks so janky. That's why I started taking it off. I didn't like it. I was really trying to force something that wasn't working, and I realized it, so I took a break, and then I came back later on that evening. This is later in the evening. I found this garland that I've had for a while, and I added this in, and it fits perfectly with the white garland that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. And I believe this particular garland I got a couple of years ago from Michael's. I'm going in with my basket and the pumpkins that came from TJMaxx, and the blanket itself came from Amazon. And so I'm putting these in, and then I'm going to add 2 more blankets into the basket. I didn't realize that I had that other basket sitting there until I was doing my voiceover, so I will get that basket moved out the way because it was kind of in the way. These 2 pieces that you see me adding here, those pieces came from Walmart years ago, and they have just been my little friends that I add in every fall decor season. Now I'm hanging up another garland that I have on my staircase, and I have 2 of these pieces of garland that I'm going to hang on my staircase. So I am officially finished decorating my living room area and my fireplace space. So I wanted to show you all a quick tour of what I did. Everything you will see here is either from HOMEGOODS, TJMaxx, or Hobby Lobby. The other pieces that I have that I've inserted from my current collection, I don't really know where they're from. I do know a few of them are from Joann's, Michael's, and Pier 1, but I can't give you an honest answer on where I actually got them from. But let's go ahead and jump into it so I can show you what I got. So here you'll see where I added a basket. This basket, as you know, is from TJMaxx. I put 2 blankets in there, and there's another little blanket hanging out. The pumpkins, I did add a few pumpkins in here. So you'll see here, and I just decided to keep it very simple there. You know, I added some height with the little white garland in the background, and then intertwining the one, I believe I got this one from Michael's. I intertwined that one, but I felt like just keeping it like that made it all the better. Then we move over here, and the centerpiece here that I created, as you all know, I got this centerpiece from those flowers I bought between Hobby Lobby and TJMaxx. I went on ahead, and the vase portion I got from Michael's, and the beads I think I got them from Walmart, and the other stuff I already had. And then of course the pillows and throws that you all see here. You all know that this was in a haul that I did. And then this tray right here I got from the at-home store, and I believe this, I'm just gonna move this over. I moved the pumpkins out of here and moved them to the fireplace area because I thought it would serve better there. I might just move these two because this isn't working for me. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's better there, just having the two little owls there. And then I'll just take this pumpkin and I'll just leave the one pumpkin here. So that is it. Alright, that is it, you guys. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Thank you again for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Next, I got up to do the kitchen and the patio. And until next time, bye.